And still on matters power, net metering is now empowering customers to take control of their energy consumption, reduce costs to support environmental sustainability and a stable energy grid. Homes and businesses that generate renewable energy such as solar are now being enabled to feed excess power into the grid. This according to Deficit and Shortleaf, where they are collaborating with local utilities with offer flexible financing solutions such as solar loans, leases and power purchase agreements while reducing the cost of power to customers.
How it works is that you have a solar system. Obviously, you generate your power using solar panels. Then you have what you call a grid connect meter that synchronizes power to the mains and also to the solar power. And then you have a bidding mechanism whereby we have a bidirectional meter that can go either buy power or sell excess power. Then you have a credit system that is in the policy that is able to give you credit onto your supply. We expect this is a win-win situation for the customers and the initiative. One thing is that it's supposed to basically reduce the cost savings in terms of the power. One is supposed to reduce the electricity bill in that if you have a solar system and you have a power, it's supposed to, you don't generate your own power, and in case you have excess power, in times of road demand, you can sell that back to the power. So there is reduced return on investment. If you have a certain amount of money that you have put into the system, you have reduced return on investment. And secondly, you get credits for any excess power you have sell to the grid.
Now, individual spending trends have increased again.